Halo One Stop Lovers, kembali lagi kita di One Stop untuk sedikit informasi dan edukasi mengenai wine and spirit. Tapi kali ini kita ada produk spesial dari Spanyol. We have Elisa here, representative for BVLand, and she will explain everything about BVLand. Okay, please.
Hello everybody, thank you for the introduction. I'm here today representing the company BVLand, which is a Spanish company based in Catalonia.
Catalonia?
Yes,
okay.
Catalonia. The company is actually about 1.5 hours from Barcelona till the French border.
Okay, Barcelona to French border.
Yes.
See. Okay. We have here so many, we talk about the liquor first.
Yeah,
okay.
As I was saying, the company is owned by the Masoliver family, which is a Spanish family, and we have in our portfolio several different categories. Today we are here to see our bourbon whiskey and some of our flavors for liqueurs. Well, let's start
with
this way.
The, yes.
We can start with the whiskey.
With the bourbon.
With the bourbon, it's for those who don't know the category, bourbon is whiskey that comes from the US. By law, it's not mandatory that it comes from the state of Kentucky, but most of it does come from the state of Kentucky, and this one also does come from the state of Kentucky. And to be a bourbon, the difference between the other category of whiskey is that it has to be at least 51% made by corn.
So 51% made by corn.
Yes.
That's the legal for make a bourbon.
That's the bourbon, exactly, because there are all the whiskey, they are made out of grains, but not all of them by corn. And if we go to other different categories of whiskey, maybe they don't have any corn,
they use
or
malt
they have
or grain.
Yes, exactly. They have barley or rye, and so this gives this whiskey a very special flavor.
Okay.
Another specialty about this whiskey is that by law they need to use new oak for the aging.
So new oak for the aging.
Yes, which is not. Yeah, so usually. It's quite common for other categories of whiskey to use old bourbon oak to age their whiskey. Because here they need to use new oak, and they are burned, and the inside of 3 to 5 millimeters is burned, which gives a special taste to this kind of whiskey.
And like the aroma also is.
Yes. All these, I'm talking about the flavor, but all this you also feel in the nose, of course. Yeah, in the aroma you feel the sweetness, you feel the toasted of the oak, and
See, that's the character of the aroma from the bourbon. Jadi Elisa udah jelasin bahwa kalau aroma tekstur itu datangnya dari oak barrel yang dipakai. Okay, next.
Okay.
What about the BVLand liquors?
This line, it's a very complete line. We have 31 different references. I think, I'm not sure if I told you before.
Yes.
Here we have Fraser the Boss, Curacao, melon, menthe, white cacao, triple sec, coconut.
Yeah.
These two are special because they are like creams, so they are like different from these two. One is the malt cream, and the other one is crema catalana, which come from the most famous Catalan dessert in the world, I think, which is called actually crema catalana.
But these two also have the same basic. Use whiskey or
no? We use it's a still cereal liquor. Okay. Not whiskey. Okay. But cereal liquors. Like the base of all this is also cereal.
See. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Then I do maceration with all the flavor that we use to make every single taste. Okay. And of course, colorant to explain the color that
it's like the blue curacao and the melon.
These are used to make cocktails. They are a very high quality liquor line to make cocktail.
Okay.
And we just, if you see like the differences of the bottle is because we just released these personalized bottles.
So it's make it more elegant.
Yes, it's not only elegant, it's personalized only for this brand. Nobody has this bottle with the logo Jigit. And yeah, the neck of the bottle is actually perfect for pouring.
Okay, so it's this is very handy for
it's thought
bartender.
to be used by bartender to make cocktails.
So it's designed special to
designed special only for the brand.
Yes.
Yeah, we didn't have a personalized bottle before, but now that the brand is growing and we are everywhere, we're in Indonesia also.
Okay.
We decided to personalize the.
So when the BVLand is built, the company?
Actually, it's quite an old story because it was the company was born before as an importer of foreign products to Spain.
See.
Yeah. So this was the dad of the actual owner, who was called Ramon, and he started selling like imported product in the Catalonia border. And after that, the company actually split in two. So right now, the owner of BVLand are also owner of the Masoliver company, which still does what they used to do. So they still import product and sell them around Spain.
Okay.
But more like food product, but also they are the distributor of all our brand, of all BVLand brand in Spain. So I would say that the BVLand started producing alcohol around like 30 years ago. The company is about
30 tahun, guys.
Yes, and the company is even older than that. It's more than 40 years, But then like the production started slowly. We firstly started importing some liquors and spirits, and then we moved from the importing to the production. And we are releasing new product, still releasing new product every year.
Okay.
Yeah.
Besides whiskey and liquors, do you have any product?
We have a lot of different categories. We will probably now start with the tequila.
Okay. Jadi ada tequila juga guys untuk BVLand.
Yes, we have rum, different rum from different country. We have
tequila rum.
Yes, from Dominican Republic, from Venezuela, from Cuba.
Wow.
Yes,
amazing.
we do.
You have?
Yes, we have a Scotch whiskey, which is already here in Indonesia.
Okay.
The brand is Glen Silver. And
gin?
what else? We have gin. Yes, our Jodhpur gin, which is
okay, Jodhpur.
Yes. It's here in Indonesia, and we are probably going to see soon more references of Jodhpur brand. We are releasing every couple of years a new product, and the brand is growing and is growing very well, and it's getting very well known around the world.
And you have complete category selection for
a very complete catalog. Yes.
Awesome. Okay, just one last question. Do you have a coffee liquor, right?
Yes, we do have a coffee liquor.
And I want to ask, what's the difference with the other coffee liquor from BVLand?
Actually, we have only one coffee liquors in BVLand. What I can say about our brand is that we use premium products to produce our liquors. So you can find cheaper liquors for sure. Yeah. And but our liquors will guarantee a very high quality because of the product we use to produce the liquor. to make the liquor. And so if you're going to mix it with other high-end spirits, then you should use like a good liquor line.
Okay guys, that's a brief explanation from Elisa about BVLand and the Marshall Bourbon. If you ask me any question, or if you have any question, just write direct message to Wine Stop Instagram, and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. And thank you for Elisa.
Thank you
for explanations.
Thank you.
And it's gonna be very awesome information and education for us.
Thank
Thank you very much, and also thank you for the BVLand. Thank you.